Hi there! I am here today to show you the installation process of our new system of touch-free sanitizer dispensers from ProtectorPlus, a brand under CanCreativ Canada. From your packing list, you should have the following: a main machine with the logo ProtectorPlus, a drip tray, a wall mount holder, 5 countersunk sharp screws, 5 expansion sleeves, a screwdriver, and a manual. Next, you should have these parts: a bottle of hand sanitizer in L-shaped cover, 1 back panel, 1 drip tray, a gearbox assembly, a front cover, and a pump assembly. With these ready, let us get the wall mount set up first. Using the wall mount holder as a template, mark the place of the 4 holes as shown on the wall. Now, drill into these 4 holes on the wall. Then, install the expansion sleeves in it. Install the wall mount holder on the wall by fixing 4 countersunk sharp screws with the screwdriver. Press the 1-2 button on both sides of the main machine at the same time to open the front cover. Next, take off the L-shaped cover and hang the main machine on the wall mount holder. Make sure the 4 screws on the wall mount holder are aligned with the 4 holes on the back panel. Then push the back panel downwardly, and we can install the L-shaped cover. Unscrew these 3 screws of the battery cover and install 4 C-cell alkaline batteries according to the indicating mark. Next, install the battery cover by tightening the 3 screws. Up next is installing the hand sanitizer cartridge itself. To do this, first unscrew the bracket here and open it completely. Put the hand sanitizer cartridge into the main body. Make sure it's face forward and have it vertically fixed. Retighten the bracket by fixing the screw. Now close the front cover and install the drip tray. Align the 2 buckles of the drip tray with the 2 grooves from the bottom. Then push them up. Open the front cover, turn on the machine, close the front cover. You can start to use the dispenser now. Simply reach out your hand below the dispenser, and it will automatically sensor to drip out sanitizing gel. Now let me show the installation for floor stand. First, install the base with 1 pole. Then install the second pole with the plastic joint. At last, install the back panel. Install the wall mount holder to the back panel by fixing 4 screws of the floor stand accessory pack. Hang on the main machine, install the L-shaped cover, open the bracket, put in the hand sanitizer cartridge, retighten the bracket, close the front cover. Now simply reach out your hand to sensor the liquid drip of sanitizing gel. That is all for the installation process. If you have any questions or want to inquire about our other products, please feel free to reach out to our ProtectorPlus CanCreativ office at 1-587-887-2272. Toll free 1-866-808-2272. Feel the hygiene of confidence.